to the CEO. I'm back. I'm back, baby. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Yeah, so I took an unplanned, not on purpose hiatus, apparently, from the tube of you, and I had like 3 videos worth like of film filmed, and I just could never get myself to like do something with it and edit it, and it just didn't. I was feeling uninspired. So I figured, as an incentive for myself, if I ordered clothes and accessory items from Nasty Gal, then I had to do a video with them, do a little mini haul. So that's what we're gonna do today. If you haven't been here before, my name is Viv, and I invented fashion. So you come to the right channel if you're interested in that. Go ahead and give me a subscribe down below, because I mean, why? I'm amazing, that's why. Give a like to this video if you like it. That would really help me out. I really appreciate it. I'm just gonna jump in and try not to make so much editing work for myself, which I love to do apparently. I love to just keep talking and talking and then be like, wow, this video is like 40 minutes long. I wonder why. This is gonna be so hard to edit. And then post-production Viv is looking at production Viv being like,
girl, can you just shut up and just get to the point?
So now that I've already probably taken like 2 minutes of time to get to the intro, let's actually get into some clothes. Okay, gal pals and guy pals, I know this top has little tiny thingies, so if they pop out, your job is to ignore them, okay? First things first, shorts. Okay, so I went on Nasty Gal because I want to make it really hard for me to, I like love testing the limits of my self-control apparently. But the fashion clearance god blessed me on that one day by having Nasty Gal be having, I can speak words. Nasty Gal was having like a 60% off sale. So got some good things, got it like a bunch of little small things for good prices. The accessories were all like from $2 to $4 each. And then the bag and the shorts and the skirt and the shirts were they're all probably like from $8, maybe lower than that, I don't remember exactly, but they were all like really cheap, which is great because I love cheap shit. Okay, yeah, so these are the shorts. I know they look like a skirt and they almost kind of look like a skirt when you put them on, which is kind of neat, but they are shorts, which means when I sit down I can man spread and you won't see my coochie, which is excellent because I hate, skirts are cute, but I hate having to do that fun like, let me hide my crotch. It's just so annoying. So cute. I love patterns like this, stars, and they're stretchy. That's the thing about shorts, is I've always wanted to get more shorts, especially right now for the summer, but since I'm in like a fun fluctuating weight period, it's hard to find shorts that are cute and that will fit right, and like you don't want anything too tight because then it's either unflattering or it's like not gonna fit in a little bit if I lose weight or if I gain weight. And then, so if you can find good stretchy shorts that don't look cheap and that are like comfortable, that's the way to go if you're me, or if you're like me, I don't know. So I initially, now it's been a while since the real quick, I'm just gonna plug myself, how I do it like constantly all the time because I have no shame. Follow me on Instagram. My handle is just Vivian Dio. Really easy. It's the same as my YouTube channel. It's just my name. It's just my name. I think my stories, and I have been told by, not like trying to toot my own horn, even though I'm like not one to not toot my own horn. I do that constantly. Many people have actually messaged me and said that they really like my stories and they think I'm funny, even though I'm just kind of talking about trivial stuff like what's happening at my gym, or what I ate today, what are my thoughts on David Archuleta versus David Cook American Idol from like 2000, whatever. It's, if you enjoy fun, ranty, complaining videos, watch my stories, follow me on Instagram. Okay, what were we even talking about? This bag. Okay, that's what I was gonna say. So initially when like the fanny pack bum bag trend, sorry, I'm not from Europe, so we don't call it a bum bag, we call it a fanny pack. I get that in Europe, or at least in England, fanny has a different term, has a different meaning. So, and I apologize, I commented on one, I know who it is, I'm not gonna say it. And if you know who you are, I'm sorry, and I love you now, like you're one of my favorite accounts to follow, and I'm so happy you like followed me back. But I commented on someone's account, I was like, oh my god, I love that fanny pack, and then I like immediately realized that she was British, and I was like, ooh, I can't say that because she's probably like, excuse me? And so it was like, bum bag. I love that belt bag. I love intercultural interaction. Yeah, bum bag, belt bag, fanny pack. I always know it as a fanny pack because my parents have always been one to rock the fanny pack when they go on cycling trips or like hiking or stuff, especially when we were younger. So in like late 90s, early 2000s, they would always have a fanny pack on. I mean, it kind of made sense because you can carry your keys and your wallet and whatever, like small, I don't know, phone. Phone wasn't as big a deal back in the early 2000s, but whatever, with you. So it kind of made sense, but I was like, that looks ridiculous, you look silly. Because they're not, I love them. They know they're not the most, they're not like fashion forward people, you know? It's like your parents wearing a fanny pack. And you know what I mean, right? So I've always had this mindset of like fanny pack equals not fashionable. So when it first started becoming a trend, I was like, oh, Jesus, why are we doing this to me? That and the cycling shorts. I'm not gonna go into cycling shorts because similar opinion. I have a similar opinion about those related to my parents and cycling. So I was like hesitant on the trend and I hadn't gotten anything, even though I grew, like that one I grew into a lot more quicker. I was like, okay, some of these are actually really cute. If you don't just wear it on the belt, like you wear it across your body, I was like, this is cute, I like this. And so, but I just never really had, because I was like, I'm never going places where I need to carry a bag like that. It's just personally, I'm not. But then I saw this one on Nasty Gal, and let me tell you, if something is gold, let me do the fun little beauty YouTuber, sorry, we're not calling them beauty gurus. If it's gold, this is also, let me see. It's snakeskin. It's like snakeskin print. Two things that I love. So I had to get it because it was also like cheap. I think it said it was like $8 or maybe even less than that. The stupid scooters are back. Yeah, got that. And so catch me outside. How about that? Catch me outside with my body belt bag, fanny bum pack. This is why I hate myself in editing. I was supposed to just talk about that fanny pack and I talked about it for like 5 minutes when it should have been 1 minute. It's gonna be so fun for me to edit. Okay. So the two tops that I got were these tops. So it's one of these, you know, silk or satiny kind of thing, and it kind of does one of those. It's good because it's kind of short, and then the back has this nice like elastic in it, which is actually kind of nice because then it's not, because a lot of stuff like that, because this is not a stretchy fabric, has a tendency to like cage you in if your boobs are even just like the slightly bit too big, or you know. So it's nice at least there's a little bit of give in there. So that was a good thing for them to add in there. And then there were a bunch of colors in that one, so I had to narrow it down. My total was getting too high. It really wasn't that high, but like for me right now, it was getting too high. I didn't want to spend much money at all. I wasn't supposed to spend any money at all, but I couldn't resist. I had to delete a bunch of out of my account, but the only other one I did get was this one. It's a little bit shorter. It's like a crop top. Actually, right here it looks like even shorter. Almost looks like a bra. It's not, I promise. It comes down like, I think just above my belly button or something. I'll show you. Obviously, we'll roll the footage. So same kind of thing, but in a shiny fabric. It's not, so this one's not like silk, it's actually just slightly stretchy. But it's kind of that like, I don't know what it is, but you can tell by looking at it. You probably know what it feels like, right? So yeah, those two similar, and I think those would be really cute, at least for just taking pictures of necklaces on Instagram. That's silly, but it's good to know. And obviously that's shiny. Like stated previously, I freaking love shiny stuff. So obviously I bought it. So on to accessories. I am wearing two of the accessories that I got. I got this Babe Diamante rhinestone hair clip. I love these. I love the hair clip trend. I know it's like a little bit starting to get a little oversaturated, but I still love it. Especially the pearl ones. I can't get enough of them. They're so cute. And I have like 4 other diamond ones, but they were like 2 sets. One says hi and bye, and one says yes and no, so they kind of like go together. But now I have this one that says Babe. I think there's one that said Queen, and I think I meant to get it, but I didn't. I should have gotten it. And I also got one more that I'm gonna have to figure out where is an appropriate place to wear it out so people won't judge me and or kick me out of their establishments. It's not that crazy, but I saw it and I was like, I have to get that. If not for some reason, the first thing that came into my head was my daughter is gonna look at this and be like, Mom, what the hell? Or she's gonna be like, Mom, this is so cool. It came with one like rhinestone missing, so I don't know why I'm thinking this is like some magical piece. It was like $2, but I just think it's so funny, and it's the kind of thing that I would love and do love, so I bought it. Even cooler if they had one that said bleep that out. That said the F word. Sorry. We're a family friendly channel. Sponsor me, please. I have 50 subscribers. I don't know how many subscribers. I think I have like 60 or something. Okay, yeah, and the other things I got were these earrings. I almost got those ones that are kind of shaped like this, but they're like gold and they're kind of like twisty, and there's like a gold and silver pair. If you're like into fashion and you're on top of like fashion bloggers and stuff on Instagram, you've probably seen them. They kind of like came out of nowhere and then bam, they were like everywhere. I almost got some, but then I was thinking maybe I'll try to get them from some Instagram shop or something instead. Yeah, and then I got these ones because they're more stoned, very pretty, very cool. Love a big statement earring. Love a diamond diamante moment. I kind of hate myself for having said moment right there. So that's actually it. I'm trying to find my niche here. I don't know. I've been thinking about it, and let me know. I'll talk about it on my story too at some point. I was going to go into it. Whether or not you guys like the fashion stuff and you appreciate it. I kind of thought I would like to do some sort of, yeah, like keep it fashiony, but also keep it with my sense of humor, so it's like a little bit of both. But I also I mentioned my Instagram stories, since I've gotten such like good feedback from people, I'd be interested to see if I should be doing like some sort of reaction channel kind of thing, along the lines of like, I don't know, like Danny Gonzalez, Drew Gooden, Curtis Connor, Tom Harlett kind of thing. All those like X-Finers, I watched a lot of their videos. So there's like Cody Ko and Noelle. I love That's Cringe series. It's hilarious. But my only issue is that I don't know how, like, I only do it on my story because I know it'll go away in 24 hours and I can see who sees it. But if it's like an issue for potential employers or something, if I'm like cursing or saying all these things, I just get kind of like, ugh, the like nervous person in me is like, I can't say that. Ugh. But then I also think I would be okay at it because people seem to like when I complain about things on my story. So if you have any thoughts on that, let me know. I also obviously really love fashion. Clearly, I've got a lot of clothes. I love clothes, and I could just keep talking about it, you know, all day and show you what I have and how I style things, and I like doing that too. But I also really love humor, and I like comedy and trying to be funny. I don't know. I feel like on here it seems more forced than it is on my Instagram stories. I hate saying Instagram story. It just sounds so, well, I don't know. But anyway, okay. That's it for me. That felt really short. Hopefully it wasn't super duper long. So yeah, let me know which thing was your favorite in the comments below, and leave me a like if you like this. Please, 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 please. It would really help me out. And subscribe, of course, if you like this kind of video, if you like me. Yeah, I have other videos like this, lots of like fashion. I have a bunch of haul videos. I have a few award show review videos. Check those out if you like people picking apart outfits. I do that. Yeah, I have a few things about weight loss and stuff. I don't have like a ton of updates on that, which is why I haven't made any more videos, because I'm kind of at like a stagnant point. But I am in the process of like having a weight loss fitness journey. So if you guys are super interested in me talking about that, let me know and I'll consider what kind of videos I can make about that. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get back into this. Yeah, I have a better setup now. I think this is a lot cuter. Okay, bye guys. It's been real. Deuces.